Cataract is the disease of. Answer: eyes. Caterpillars turn into butterflies. True or false? Answer: true. Ceylon is the former name of which country? Answer: Sri Lanka. Chanakya was the chief advisor of which ruler in India? Answer: Chandragupta Maurya. Charminar is located in which city? Answer: Hyderabad. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj International Airport in Mumbai was opened in which year? Answer: 1942. Chhatrapati Shivaji was born in which year? Answer: 19 February 1630. Chief Minister of West Bengal Mamata Banerjee belongs to which political party in India? Answer: All India Trinamool Congress. Kinebara is the ore of which metal? Answer: Mercury. Clouds are made of what? Answer: water. Constitution Day is celebrated on which date? Answer: 26 November. Which creatures that lived millions of years ago? Answer: dinosaur. Cry of lion is called? Answer: roar. Cuttack is situated on which river? Answer: Mahanadi. Who discovered the double helix structure of DNA? Answer: Watson and Crick. Deficiency of which vitamin does not stop the blockage of blood? Answer: vitamin K. Deodhar Trophy is related to which sport? Answer: cricket. Dilwara temple in Mount Abu, Rajasthan are related to which religion? Answer: Jainism. Dmitry Mendeleev invented what? Answer: periodic table. Dolphin is an amphibian or a mammal? Answer: a mammal. Due to rust on iron, its load? Answer: increase. Durand Cap is related to which game? Answer: football. During the boycott of the Simon Commission, which leader died of lathi charge? Answer: Lala Lajpat Rai. During which festival does Santa come to visit? Answer: Christmas. During which year did World War I begin? Answer: 1914. During whose reign Ibn Battuta, a traveler who from Morocco, came to India? Answer: Muhammad bin Tulqia. During whose region Maratha power was the highest peak and power? Answer: Balaji Baijaro. Each day, how much a queen bee eats to produce eggs? Answer 80 times of her weight. Earth is protected from ultraviolet radiation by. Answer ozone. Eczema disease affected which part of the body? Answer skin. Eggs are great for what? Answer baking or eating. Electrons are larger than molecules. True or false? Answer false. Elysee Palace is the official residence of the President of which country? Answer French Republic. Entomology is the science that studies. Answer insect. Europa is the satellite of which planet? Answer Jupiter. Europe and Africa are separated by which sea? Answer the Mediterranean. Which European invader of Indian soil? Answer Alexander the Great. Fa Hin was the Chinese traveler to India in which year? Answer 402 AD. Fastest land animal in the world is? Answer cheetah. Father of Green Revolution in India is? Answer M.S. Swaminathan. Fe is the symbol of which element? Answer iron. CO is the chemical formula of? Answer carbon monoxide. 100 degrees Celsius equals to how much Fahrenheit? Answer 212. Finders of electrons are? Answer J. Thomson. Florida is the state in which country? Answer United States of America. For how long are the members of Rajya Sabha elected? Answer 6 years. For how many years have the dinosaurs been extinct? Answer about 65 million years. For which field is the Kalinga Award given by UNESCO? Answer in science. How many approximate days our moon takes to complete the orbit around the earth? Answer 30 days. How many articles in our constitution currently? Answer 470 articles 25 January 2020. For whom is Khetri famous in Rajasthan? Answer copper mine. Former Indian Prime Minister who received both Bharat Ratna and Nishan-e-Pakistan? Answer Morarji Desai. Former professional basketball player Michael Jordan belongs to which country? Answer United States of America. Freedom is the birthright and I will take it who said? Answer Lokmanya Tilak. From where did the first train run in India? Answer. Bombay, now Mumbai to Thane. From where does the plants are getting energy? Answer. From sunlight. From which language did the word ketchup come? Answer. Chinese. From which plant is the malaria drug quinine obtained? Answer. Cinchona. Full form of GDP? Answer. Gross domestic product. Fundamental duties in India Constitution are derived from the Constitution of which country? Answer. US Constitution. Gandhiji started the Dandi March in which year? Answer. 1930. Ganymede is the satellite of which planet? Answer. Jupiter. Gateway of India is located at? Answer. Mumbai. General is an officer position of which army? Answer. Indian Army. General theory of reactivity was given by which theoretical physicist? Answer. Albert Einstein. Hummer is the traditional folk dance of which Indian state? Answer. Rajasthan. Gidha is the folk dance of which Indian state? Answer. Punjab. Gir National Park in Gujarat is famous for? Answer. Lion. Where is insulin secreted from? Answer. Pancreas. Glaucoma disease is related to which part of the body? Answer. Eye. Global warming is caused by the excess of which type of gas? Answer. Carbon dioxide. Goitre is caused due to the deficiency of? Answer. Iodine. GPS Global Positioning System is a satellite navigation system used for what? Answer. To determine ground position of an object. Great Pyramid of Giza is located in which country? Answer. Egypt. How long Earth take to rotate once? Answer. 24 hours. Group of lion is called? Answer. Prides. GST first introduced in which country? Answer. France. Guppies are omnivorous or carnivorous? Answer. Omnivorous. Guwahati is situated on the bank of which river? Answer. Brahmaputra. H2SO4 is the chemical formula of which acid? Answer. Sulfuric acid. Harappa civilization is related to which era? Answer. Bronze Age. Harp seal found in which place on the earth? Answer. North Atlantic and Arctic Oceans. Hawa Mahal located in? Answer: Jaipur, Rajasthan. Hawaii is the state lies under which country? Answer: United States. Who was known as Chachaji? Answer: Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Helsinki is the capital city of which country? Answer: Finland. Hemis National Park is a high altitude national park in which state of India? Answer: Jammu and Kashmir. Highest dam of India is? Answer: Tehri Dam. Hirakund Dam is built across which river in India? Answer: Mahanadi. How do plants make their food? Answer: through photosynthesis. How does the outer sky look to astronauts? Answer: black. How many union territories does India have? Answer: 8. How long a solar eclipse can last? Answer: 7 minutes 31 seconds. How long does it take for sunlight to reach the earth from the moon? Answer: 1.3 seconds. How long does it take for sunlight to reach the earth? Answer: 8 minutes and 30 seconds. How long does it take for the earth to rotate 1 degree longitude? Answer: 4 minutes. How long does the Chief Justice of the Supreme Court hold his office? Answer: up to the age of 65. How long does the earth rotate in an hour? Answer: 50 degree.